Hello everyone, my name is Griffin Swanson and I'm the channel product manager here at Professional Advantage for our company data archive module built for Microsoft Dynamics GP. You may have seen we've recently done a series of videos breaking down the features and functionality of company data archive on our YouTube page, and today's video is going to be very short and sweet with a focus on our company data archive schedule. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with this, the scheduler is essentially designed to automate your archive process. This is the standard company data archive page, which requires manual work for you to go in and transfer and remove specific modules based off of a specific cutoff date. Now, we do have a video based on that as well if you want to go watch that, but again, today's focus is going to be on scheduling the actual archives with our automated feature, which is kind of a mini or a condensed version of the archiving window in itself. So if I go ahead and enable this here, you see we have the ability to set a fixed cutoff date just like we do with a normal archive. We also have the ability here to set a rolling cutoff date. So if there's a specific amount of data that you always want kept in your production company, you can set this up here as well. You can see we can archive by the document date and GL posting date, just like we normally do with an archive, as well as print that detailed report. And we're transferring and removing the GP modules again, just like we normally do with our core archiving process. The difference here is we're scheduling these archives in advance with this Sunday through Saturday schedule below. And we have complete flexibility here when it comes to actually setting up this schedule. It is dynamic in the sense of you could change it day to day, week to week. It is very subjective to how you want your archives to actually be performed and when you want them to actually be performed. So for example here, maybe Monday through Thursday, we want to keep it on the exact same schedule, continuing that throughout the week. Let's say, no, we don't want to archive here on Friday, but let's open it up here on the weekend again as well. So again, you have complete flexibility here when it comes to actually scheduling those archives yourselves. It's very beneficial to customers who really don't have a lot of downtime when it comes to their archiving process. For example, we have a customer who's 24/7. The only downtime they have to archive is from midnight to 4 a.m. Well, obviously nobody wants to wait around till midnight to manually start that archive process, let alone be up at 4 a.m. to manually stop that process. So again, this is very beneficial to customers like that, but all of our customers should be taking advantage of this. Even if you only have a couple of hours per day to run that archive, you could schedule that in advance, and in due time, those archive sessions are going to add up. Again, all you need to do here is schedule this in advance, queue up the archive, and it's going to start and stop based off the times you've scheduled below. So that is our scheduler feature again, everyone, essentially allowing you to automate the archive process. If you have any questions or comments for us, you can reach out to us at professionaladvantage.com and submit a form on our contact page.